Alright, here we are with a quick unboxing of the Wi-Fi smart plug. We'll check out what's on here. A few features. I guess it's available in all different countries and so on and so forth. A couple of specs there for those people who are interested in taking a look at that. But let's just dive into the box. So you open it. It's got one of these funny thingies here. And then we can sort of pull this up. And there we go. Funny looking plug. Pretty smooth. I like it. It is rather bulky, but hopefully it'll do what we want it to. It looks like you need to download an app to get it to run. So we'll do that and set it up, and then we'll talk about how well it works, or if it doesn't work, or whatever happens. But anyway, this was the unboxing of the Wi-Fi smart socket plug, and hope it's helpful to you guys. See you in the next video.